A Toshiba TV that turns on with sound but only shows a black screen can be really frustrating. In this video, I'll show you the safe and simple steps you can try at home to get the picture back. The first thing to try is your remote. Sometimes the TV is not turning on properly because of weak batteries. Put in a fresh set of batteries and see if the screen comes back. If that doesn't help, the next step is a simple power reset. Unplug your TV from the wall and wait for about 60 seconds. Be patient and let the TV fully drain before plugging it back in. After 1 minute, plug it back in and turn it on to check if the picture is working. If the screen is still black, try a hard reset. For this, unplug your TV again, then hold down the power button on the TV itself for around 30 seconds. This will clear out any leftover power. After that, plug the TV back in and turn it on. It's also important to check the power source. Make sure the TV is connected directly to the wall socket, not through a surge protector or smart plug. If possible, try another wall outlet as well, because sometimes the issue is simply with the socket you are using. Now move on to the cables and inputs. Check the power cable and HDMI cables to make sure they are plugged in all the way. A loose cable can stop the picture from showing. Remove and reinsert the HDMI cables one by one and test the TV each time. Also, disconnect all external devices so only the power cable is left. This way, you can confirm if the problem is caused by any connected device. If nothing changes, try using a different HDMI port on the TV, since one port might not be working properly. If the screen is still black, you can do a simple test to see if the backlight is the problem. Turn on your TV and take a flashlight or the light from your phone. Shine it very close to the screen in a dark room. If you can see faint images moving on the screen, it means the backlight has failed. In that case, the TV will need professional repair or replacement of the backlight. That's it for this video on fixing a Toshiba TV with a black screen, but still playing sound. I hope these simple steps help you get your TV picture back at home. If you found this guide useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Did any of these methods work for you, or do you have another tip to share? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.